In 2026, power is no longer measured by numbers alone. It's measured by speed and...
This is not a ship. This is a floating airbase and a symbol of American power. Where it sails...
When deterrence must be absolute, America deploys the B-21 Raider. Silent, unseen, unstoppable.
In the next few minutes, everything changes.
Warning, enemy forces detected.
Flanks pros. First move, air dominance. Stealth fighters enter enemy airspace.
When deterrence must be absolute, America deploys the B-21 Raider. Silent, unseen, unstoppable.
When missiles fall from the sky, this is America's shield.
This is not a ship. This is a floating airbase and a symbol of American power. Where it sails...
On land, nothing commands respect like the Abrams. Steel, firepower, dominance.
You will never hear it. You will never see it. And that's the point.
The battlefield never sleeps, and neither does the Reaper.
The next battlefield won't just be fought by soldiers. It will be fought by intelligence.
Too fast to stop. Too powerful to ignore.
What if this weapon was the last defense? Can one U.S. weapon stop an entire army?
Strike!
Enemy positions collapsing.
Below the surface, danger moves.
Virginia-class submarine in position.
Enemy fleet detected.
Red alert. All hands to battle stations.
Torpedoes armed.
Missiles incoming! Intercept.
Tanks rolling!
A 120mm cannon ready. Fire!
Infantry moving!
Control regained.
Eyes in the sky.
Targets tracked in real time.
Wars are loud. Victory is decisive.
Mission complete.
These weapons are not built for conquest. They are built to protect allies.
U.S. Army power!